In this video, we are going to be looking at how to install Machic, that's Elementor WooCommerce Theme. So, after getting this theme downloaded, or after you bought this theme, next you go to your dashboard. Okay, here is my dashboard. I go to appearance. Here is the default theme, so that's why it is getting customized. Now I want to add new theme, the theme I just purchased. I click on add new theme. So next I click on upload theme, choose file. Here is my theme. I select it, then click on open. After that, I click on install now. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channels. And I am open to engagement for your website or WordPress website design, for your theme customization. Then next I click on activate. These are the plugins I need to install for my site to be okay. So before then, let me go to my site, open a new tab. As you can see, here is it. Look at how it looks like. So let me now go back to my dashboard. Then I click on begin installing plugins, because some of these plugins are required, while some are recommended. So like this one is required. So begin installing plugins. Let me just say like this: install, apply. Okay, let me go back. Let me select them. Recommend the following plugins. Let me select this one after the other. Install now. Then next I activate. So let me select the next one, this. Install now. So okay, let me scroll down. Activate plugin. Let me go back to appearance or dashboard. Let me go back to dashboard. Okay. I click on this. So I want to activate it. Activate. I activate this one as well. Okay. I activate this one. I'm going to activate every one of them. Okay. Next, let me skip. Let me skip. Let me skip. Let me skip. This is a blank. Okay, let me say this. Okay, let me go back to my dashboard. Let me see. I go through this list. Let me also check the site and refresh it. Okay, back to my dashboard. Begin installing plugin. Install. Return to required plugin installer. Let me activate this. Okay. Let me activate this. Let me go to my site again to confirm. Okay. Let me go back to my dashboard. Update. Okay. Return to required plugins installer. Let me activate this. Then I activate this one. Let me go back to my site, then confirm. After I've installed the necessary plugins, I will go to appearance. Yes, I click on it. I'm going back to appearance. Here's the theme I just uploaded, so I click on it. Next, I click on theme setup. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if this video is helpful, use link in description. Use our buy me coffee to buy me coffee. Next, I click on start. After that, I click on install. Then next, I click on next. Use the engagement link to engage me to help you customize or install the scripts or the theme. Next, I click on next again. Then I click on import. If this video is helpful, use the buy me coffee link in the description to buy me coffee. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channels. So it is importing the content. This is 6%. Then as I click on view your website, all done. Have fun. Okay. So here is it. Let me refresh it again. I have installed my theme. This is it. All departments. So from here, I can just customize it if I want to customize this site. For your theme customization, please use the engagement link to engage me to help you customize the theme. Thank you. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channels.